Are you also using text-to-speech AI softwares and apps? Stop it now, because YouTube just has enabled this feature in the Android app itself. So if you're creating a short, you can type the text, you can write the text and choose the speaker, what you like, and the YouTube itself will allow it to speak.
I am at Kokoma Digital.
So you don't have to use any third party, and since it is YouTube's own built-in tool and feature, you have always seen, like, whenever YouTube roll out a new feature, and if you are also onboarding to that feature, YouTube always gives you organic views. So instead of third-party AI and apps, I would suggest use this if your type of video needs this kind of. A lot of time, even in question answers, you can use the text-to-speech for the first time, like, asking question to yourself. For the solopreneurs or for the solo video creators, like right now, I can ask a question and then I answer it. Questions like, what's your favorite analytics metric? I can answer. For me, it can be impressions, right? Like this. So there are many kinds of applications, of course, depending on the kind of content you make. I think you should start using it. Right now, it is available for Android mobile YouTube app, but soon it's going to roll out everywhere. So good news.